quick update video. What is happening here with Bitcoin? And let us watch on the charts. And very important, in about 1 hour will be the Fed meeting, and they will talk about. We assume they will talk about the inflation, not inflation numbers, the interest rates, if they will increase it by 75 basis points or even higher or lower. So in 1 hour, it's very important. If you want that I stream it live, please write down below. If I see a lot of people who want that I stream it live, I will do it. I will maybe do it, right? So very important information here, very important. Hear me. So 75 base points, this is what it's assumed. This was the reason also why we saw a huge dump in the market at the start of the week, right? So if they say they will increase by 75%, by 75 basis points, I don't think that we will see any correction in the market to the any volatility in the market, right? So to the up or to the downside. If they see they will increase by 100 basis points, what could possibly be, because they have to fight inflation, right? The inflation is getting higher and higher. Then we'll see even a bigger dump in the market. If they say they will increase only by 50 basis points because they say the market is already fucked and the inflation will go back, or I don't know, then obviously the market will pump. So we have to see, and we also obviously have to see what Jerome Powell will say about the whole situation right now. So go right now in the charts and watch right now what we see in the immediate short term right now happening, right? And very important for you guys, I told you already in our Telegram group, which is for free, link is down below. I said, in my opinion, we can only short long Bitcoin if we break above this neckline. You see here we see a lot of resistance, and as long as we not break it, in my opinion, this is not a good opportunity to long. So only if we break that neckline, which would be right now around 28,280, 21,280, then in my opinion, yes, we can take a long. Wait a minute, I zoom a little bit in. What would be, so if we would here at 21,330 right now. So then the first price tag would be obviously 21,140. The second one would be around 22,700. The third one would be around 23,500. And the fourth one would be around 24,100 and 24,800. So it could be all in all 16%, 10x average 160%, right? Please, if we break above the neckline, take your profits on this area which I showed you on every price level. Move your stop loss to your entry position. Very important, right? So this opportunity for a long, if we see some positive news, if Fed says they will only increase by 50 basis points, for example, right? So, or if we break above this neckline with a clear 15-minute candle with a clear buying volume. In my opinion, not a financial advice, guys. So if we are breaking below that level of 20,266 approximately, I would say this is a short opportunity to slightly above 20,000. I would say 20,050 around is 1%, and average 10%. The next price target would be, in my opinion, 19. Wait a minute. No, I go back. 20. Wait a minute. I watch here on the daily. I mean, it would be more clearly. So if we break the level of 20,200 approximately, right, then we can short down the neck slightly above 20,000. I told you it's 1%, right? Then I would say the next price target here, you see a lot of support is coming in at 90,600. It's 3.1%. 10x average 30%. The second price target would be around 18,800. It's 7%, 10x average 70%, and next price tag would be around 18,100. It's 10.5%, 10x average 100%, right? So it's very clear, guys, where we can short, where we can long. So if we break, and please take profits along the way down, right? Very, very important. So what is another important thing for you to know right now, guys, in the immediate short term? Wait a minute, I zoom in. I watch on the 1 hourly. Usually I watch the bigger time frames, but right now on the 1 hourly, because we have such a high volatility, right? So what is also very important, so it's all 50-minute can. So if 20,200, 20,260, a clear 15-minute candle break down, a clear red candle, a clear red body, right? With a clear selling volume, I would short. If we break above that neckline, I would long with the clear 50-minute candle with the clear volume. Be very careful, it's very dangerous, guys. If we break down below 20,200, obviously I will also, it's a short opportunity for Ethereum shorting or Solana or any other altcoin, right? Here I can show you also, I shorted down, for example, I'm watching Bitcoin, but obviously if Bitcoin dump, also Ethereum dumped, or if Bitcoin pump, Ethereum pump. So, and I saw Bitcoin pumping and I longed Ethereum here, for example. I showed you also the trade, everything transparently, and I showed you where I closed it here, and I closed it 2,000 in profit, 2,100 approximately in profit. So very transparent. Or you see here also my entry position. It's Slavic Alerts Group. It's for free. Link is down below. You can join if you want. So therefore, if we break 20,260, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins, right? If we break above this neckline, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other altcoins. Very important to watch the Fed meeting, because if they say something positive about the market, if they increase only by 50 basis points, I see here a pump in the market. It's not a guarantee. It's my opinion, guys, because 75 basis points they set already, and in my opinion, it's already priced in. So we will see any huge drop if they say 75 basis points. So very clear. If they say they raise by 100 basis points, I see that we're breaking below 20,260, and this could be a short opportunity. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins. So it's very clear, right? So guys, very important, we are trading here on Bybit. So if you are not trading right now on Bybit, make a registration, make account on Bybit for two reasons. One reason, 4,620 you get for free after initial deposit. If you move your initial deposit there, you get 4,620 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit, and you get on Bybit 30 days zero maker fee. This is one thing. The second thing, join our trading team, Bratans it's called. They're doing right now the biggest trading competition, and we have a huge team on Bybit. If you only click join, then you are trading automatically in a team. You're just trading like you did, and we can win several million prize pool which Bybit offering if we are the best team with the best trade. So if you trade anyways, just join the team and make before an account. It costs you 30 seconds, guys. Link is down below. So another thing, what I want to say to you in the bigger picture, guys, what's very important. And here I want to show you one tweet from On-Chain Wizard, and I want just to read for you. This wallet tagged as a 3 Arrow Capital, I don't know if you know heard of them, has been aggressively paying back AVI debt against it 223k ETH. It's 265 million position to avoid liquidation. So guys, very important here to know for you, Aave, you know, for some of you who don't know, you can borrow against your assets. So, and this is a huge venture capitalist, so I don't know how to call them, 3 Arrow Capital they called, and everyone hyped them, so on. But obviously they borrowed a lot of money against their Ethereum. What it means, if they get liquidated, and here writing here, 11% move in ETH to 1042 liquidates it. So if Ethereum, I think they're trying to pay back, right? So that their liquidation price is moving down to $1,000 price of Ethereum, or $900 Ethereum. I don't know what the price is right now. This tweet from several hours ago, but very important for you just to know. I want to show you a bigger picture. There is, and this is what Michael Burry said, this from the Big Shot, this movie. He said several months ago, I think even a year ago or something, there here is a lot of, I mean, we don't borrow money, right? Because I say never borrow money and trade with the money. But there are a lot of people, and not just retail people like you and me. There are huge venture capitalists, or like Michael Saylor, or huge companies which borrowed money against their asset. and they are right now in danger to get liquidated. And for example, 3 Arrow Capital has over 200 million worth in ETH. Just imagine if they get liquidated, what it happens, it goes back to the market and will immediately sold. And what that means, that the price is dropping further down. Then the more the price further dropping down, for example in ETH, the more retails like you and me, the more companies get liquidated because they borrowed money against ETH or Bitcoin or any other asset. This you just have to have in mind. This is also the reason why we have this huge dumps more and more. So this could mean that we easily can go within hours to 15 or even 10k Bitcoin, or even 800 ETH or 400 ETH, because we could have this cascade liquidation of not only just the normal positions which are over leveraged, also of these positions which are borrowed against the assets. I hope you understand what I mean. This is very important for you to know. I hope we will have a bounce back, but this could be very dangerous. We have even a bigger cascade down. I just want to warn you guys, it's a bigger picture, and in my opinion, don't panic right now. Calm down, because the more we are going down, the cheaper it is to buy it back on dollar cost average. I constantly buying a little bit of ETH, Bitcoin, because in long term, if you see in 3-4 years, in 3 years approximately 2-3 years, when the crypto market again begins, just imagine ETH at 10 or 20k, Bitcoin at 100 or 150k. How much money you can right now make if just buying on dollar cost average. Have this in mind, because I trading only with 1% or less than 1% of my money, and this should you also do. 99% should, in just hodling and buying on dollar cost average, guys. So it's not financial advice, it's my opinion. Quickly back to the price, by the way, and you can buy on dollar cost average, for example, here on Bybit, guys, with this bonus 4,620 after initial deposit. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other altcoins, right? Link is down below, guys. 30 seconds registration. So again, if we are breaking 20,260, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other altcoins with the clear 15-minute candle with the clear red volume. If we're breaking above this neckline, which would be right now around 21,350 or something like that, you see 21,300 with a clear 15-minute candle with a clear buying volume, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other altcoins, and move your stop loss to your entry and take profits on all these borders which I showed you, because we can have a quick pump and then a quick dump, right? So be very careful, guys, here right now. So I hope you understand everything what I told you here, guys, because, for example, I also did today this ETH position. It was very quick. I made within several minutes this 2,000, for example, but it's also high risky. But I entered the position and I exited quickly, right? So be very careful right now. I told you exactly the entry position. I usually swing trader, but right now I also day trading, because I see there high volatility and high possibilities to make huge gains. So let's make huge gains, guys. But very important, if you're not professional trader, stay out of the market, learn about the market, because this is also time to lose all your money. Be very careful, only for professional traders. 4,620. Anyways, you can claim your bonus and you can buy on dollar cost average, for example, just holding for 3 years and forget it, right? For the professional traders, for us, guys, link down below. If you're trading on Binance or some other exchange, go on Bybit. There you don't have this liquidations weeks, which you see sometimes on other exchanges. You get the bonus, you get 30 days zero makeover, which is very important for us day traders. And you can join this team, our team, and just trading like you did, and get this few million prize pool as a team if you make good trades. So it's very clear, guys. If you have any questions, write down below. If you want that I stream the Fed meeting, and I see a lot of people writing, maybe I will do it. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.